other news in details. Along with the hashtag India deserves better national education policy, the Congress hit hard the BJP government on the national education policy. They said the BJP's national education policy is rather national exclusionary policy. The recently announced national education policy has failed to come to grips with the crisis in Indian education. That is one of the prime reasons that India deserves a better national education policy. Been destructive from the very time of coming into power after destroying the economy and healthcare, the BJP government has now turned its attention to education with the announcement of the national education policy, which can easily be confused to mean national exclusionary policies, as it excludes the most vulnerable sections of people and deepens the digital divide among the people. The Indian National Congress strongly opposed the national education policy, putting out several serious facts. They allege that the policy has been framed without consultation with stakeholders or parliamentary discussion, and that is why, true to the character of BJP, the national education policy is devoid of any thought, consultation or revision. While the BJP government stresses on online education, but only 9.85% of government schools have computers and a mere 4.09% of schools have access to internet. Even though the national education policy claims that 6% of the GDP is to be allocated for education, the BJP over the years reduced spending on education. The allocation of 4.14% in 2014 to 15 was slashed down to 3.2% in the 2020 budget. It also doesn't mention anything about affirmative action or how it plans to ensure a level playing field for communities that have been exploited and excluded for centuries. The BJP government has also allegedly ignored the crumbling infrastructure for early childhood care and education and relies on Anganwadis, who are paid a pittance of rupees 4,500 as a monthly honorarium and are also not educatedly trained. National education policy also doesn't explain how it will fill the vacancies at the school level. However, it speaks of a top-down administration through the Board of Governors, Higher Education Commission of India, which is susceptible to nepotism and political favors. The Congress urged the common people to go through the points seriously and expose the faulty national education policy. Bureau Report, Halabol.